Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I would finally black out and customize my headlights on the Subi. Today, go ahead and give you guys a look at what they look like right now. I mean, all chrome. Definitely got a big thing with chrome and I hate it. But we're going to, on my brights, I'm gonna paint all of this more of like a yellow and then black out, satin black everything else. And then I got some C lights for all of this, so this is going to be all lit up. And then I got switchbacks so that it will interlink the C lights with my turn signals, so these will blink at the same time that my turn signals do. I just thought that this would be a nice little touch. Also, definitely get rid of all that chrome, and yeah. So pretty much what we're going to be working with today, I got satin black, a couple cans of that. This is the yellow metal cast for the brights. I got some extra little sealant. I do know that on the headlights on the newer Subarus that they put a sealant in there that is actually reusable. You don't actually have to heat them up, but I got some sealant just in case that the sealant isn't able to get out without actually baking them and actually have to put them in the oven. And then I got from Diode Dynamics the C lights. So this is what is actually going to light up the C lights around. And then all the wiring harness and switchbacks. That's what we're doing today. Hopefully it should be pretty easy. I think I always say that, and then I end up having a lot more trouble than what I think I'm gonna have. So let's get into this. I gotta take this front bumper off and then let's dive right into it. I just thought that I would go ahead and just pull the car inside the garage a little bit. It looks like it's going to rain, and hopefully it doesn't, but thought I would just go ahead and just pull it in the garage and have a little bit, I don't know, more protection if it does start to rain a little bit, but hopefully it doesn't. So let's get this front bumper off, and then, yeah, just go from there. Alrighty guys, front bumper is off. Talk about looking weird. That's the first like front bumper I've actually ever taken off of a car. Weird. But front bumper's off. Here's what it looks like from the front. There he goes. On the headlights now, I just got to take off this plastic housing thing, and then I should be able to remove the headlights. Alrighty guys, got one headlight out. I'm going to go ahead and get the other side out of that one. Not gonna film that or anything. It's pretty much the same thing as this. Go ahead and take out the other one, and then we'll start breaking these things open. Hopefully we'll be able to break these things open and not have to bake them, but if I do, then I do. But I'm gonna take the other one out, and then we'll get started. Alrighty guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and just take out all of these plug-ins and all the bulbs and stuff. Take out all the screws all along the outside of it. Try to get every single one of them, and then start breaking this thing apart. I got it without baking it. Holy shit. That was hard. Alrighty guys, so now we just gotta get all this stuff out. Alrighty guys, I'm going to, I got them all taped up. And of course, it's raining. Of course. So hopefully it doesn't, it's just sprinkling right now, but hopefully it doesn't start pouring. I'm going to go ahead and do the yellow first, and then I'll start painting all of this black. So hopefully it turns out okay. And hopefully this rain will calm down because it's starting to try to come inside the garage a little bit. I might need to push this back a little bit. Yeah, so much for not pouring down rain. I'm glad that I'm definitely glad that I pulled the front of the car inside the garage, but it's coming down. Coming down. Hopefully it's just a quick little shower and then it'll stop. And hopefully it doesn't start getting like really windy and start blowing all of this inside, because I got like open wires and everything through here. Yep, just like that. Just like that. Alrighty guys, so I'm just going to throw just one coat on here right now, just a light coat, and then I'll probably just do like 2 or 3 coats total on these, and then so they can still have some kind of like reflectant to them, and then I'll probably put like 4 or 5 coats of black on the actual headlight housing. So. Okay, so I'm just gonna do one little light coat, let that sit for like 15 minutes or so, and come back and throw another one on, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna keep on coating. I think I hear a Camaro. Yep, it's Vince. Look who it is. Look at this dude. Ah, you motherfucker. Yeah, you got me there. That was perfect timing too. Alright, I'll be quiet. Okay. Here. Do something funny then.
What do you mean?
Look at this dude.
That was funny.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
They come apart pretty easily?
Yeah, I didn't have to bake them. So that was good.
Right.
But I think it's gonna be a pain in the ass trying to get them back together a little bit, yeah. But I bought some new sealant and stuff just in case,
Right.
you know. But yeah, it's got a bit of a mess.
Looks a little different without the bumper on it.
Yeah. Yep.
So how long have they been drying for? I thought you were gonna do yellow.
I did.
Oh. I'm confused. Oh, that goes on top of that. Okay.
Mhm. Yep.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah, but I've got
Why'd you take your fog light? Oh, they're mounted to your bumper.
yeah. Yeah, but I've only got two coats on each. I think that right now for my fog lights or my brights.
Probably pretty good.
Yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do with those. Just because they have a lot of reflectant on them still.
They do.
A lot. So I think I'm just gonna leave them like that, so that if I ever do go to use my my brights, they'll still be bright for the most part, you know. But I don't really use my brights that often, anyways. But these ones I've got 2 coats on there so far. I probably put 2 more on and call it done. Alrighty guys, headlights are completely painted yellow for the brights, and then all blacked out on the housing. We're gonna go ahead and put these things back together and then start reassembling everything. Once I'm completely done, then I guess I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. I'm not doing like a full how-to on how to do this. There's many videos on YouTube of like how to do this, but I thought, I don't know, I guess it'd be kind of cool for you guys to see like the before and after of like what it looks like for me. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Let's go. Alrighty guys, just to let you guys know that it is getting fairly dark. I know on camera it still looks like it's pretty daylight outside, but it's actually getting fairly dark outside. We got one headlight in, but I'm just wanting to let you guys know that it's probably gonna be another hour before we actually get done. So it'll probably be dark. So these next clips that you guys are actually going to be seeing the car completely finished, it will be dark, but I guess that's something that you guys would rather see anyways, with it actually at nighttime, so you guys can actually see the lights. So I was just giving you guys a quick little update, and yeah, once it's done, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So roll the montage. Alrighty guys, probably, I don't know, 8 to 10 hours later, I'm finished. We had some hiccups. Vince,
I'm trying to get out of your shop.
He showed up. Well, I appreciate your help, man. Like it helps out a lot. Trying to do this with one person, with just by myself, is kind of a pain in the ass, so it was nice actually having his help and stuff too. But it definitely is a lot harder than what you would think it would be. We had a lot of hiccups, and there's still some things that kind of went wrong that I gotta fix.
So the simple stuff is what really kicked our ass in this one. It wasn't really the hard stuff. It was remembering all the tiny little steps when you put it back together.
Right, yeah.
You forget one little step, you gotta completely backtrack for another hour just to put that one little piece back on.
Right, yeah. But yeah, guys, I mean, like it turned out really good. The car looks super aggressive, especially like from this angle where I painted the brights yellow and the fog lights are yellow too, and then everything else is all blacked out. It looks so freaking good. I love the way it turned out. Alrighty guys, it is the next day, and I thought I would go ahead and just show you guys what it looked like, what the headlights look like in the daylights where it's not so dark and stuff. But yeah, pretty much here they are. They look incredible the way that they look now. The accent with the yellow fogs and stuff just turned out so good, and everything being all blacked out looks so good, especially from the front in the daylight too. That's with the sea lights off. Here they are on. Freaking so sick. And then I got the switchbacks with the turn signals where they're interlinked together. Sweet. Super stoked on that. But yeah guys, hopefully you guys liked the video, man. Turned out really well. It's a lot of work, took a really long time, so hopefully you guys liked it. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Many more things to come. Till next time guys, keep random. Peace.